Hello students, this is Semfano with Esha Academy, where we teach people in demand tech skills. Thank you for tuning into our channel, and we request that you subscribe, share and like and comment on our videos in order for us to keep on producing similar content. Thank you. In this lesson, I'm going to demonstrate how horizontal lookup works. It is another function that is used to search or look up values in a horizontal dataset or table. Just as the VLOOKUP, the horizontal lookup is used to search or look up values in a horizontal dataset. It looks up a value in the top row and returns a cell in a specified row number and column number that contains the value. It works better when the records are sorted in order. This is the function called HLOOKUP. This is the name of the function. These are the arguments that it takes. It takes the value that you want to search for, the table that you are searching from, as well as the row number from which your answer is going to come from, or from which the value is going to come from, the value that you want to be your answer. This is the HLOOKUP. Let's now jump into our Excel and see how this works. Here we have our worksheet that we're working on, the mark sheets. We are going to calculate B. We are going to use the HLOOKUP because we have our horizontal table here. As you can see, the table headings are on the left and the records are going to the right. So it is being read from left to right. This is called the horizontal table. So I'm going to start by giving it a name, and then I'm going to name it exercise 1 in uppercase. Exercise 1 is the name of our table. I will type it here in our name box and press enter. Okay, sorry. I'm not supposed to include a space. So I'm going to type exercise 1 as one word. I'm not allowed to include the space in the name of the table. So I'm going to press enter. I've actually named this table. And then as you can see, when I highlight this whole table, it writes its name there. Or when I come here and type an equal sign and type exercise and double, it highlights the whole table that is called exercise 1. So this is the table that we are going to use to calculate the values using the HLOOKUP function. So we are going to calculate the function here on cell C2 where there is a B. Then when you click there, you go and click the function insert function shortcut. Then I'm going to look for my HLOOKUP here in the most used functions. I don't see it, therefore I'm going to search it on my search box there. I'm going to type HLOOKUP and then click on go to search. When I click on go, it appears over there. Then I'm going to click on OK. The usual function arguments box, it takes 4 functions, but the most important functions are the ones that are in bold, if you remember from the previous videos. First of all, I'm going to say the lookup value. The lookup value is the Esha. I'm going to take it from there, right? And then I'm going to type the name of the table as exercise 1. When I type the name of the table, it will select that table automatically. Then now it says row index, but in the VLOOKUP function it says column index number, but in the HLOOKUP function it says row index number, as you can see over there. So the value that I want to display here is the mark for exercise 1. So it is in row number 2 of this table. This is row 1 and row number 2. So I'm going to write 2 here. As you can see, for Asia, it is displaying 14 because this is the value that it found when it looked for Asia. It found the value in row number 2 when it looked for Asia, which is in A2. So the value that it found here is 14. If it looks for James, it's going to find 15. If it looks for John, it's going to find 12. If it's looking for Mike, it's going to find 11. If it looks for Sfiso, it's going to find 9. If it looks for Tabo, it's going to find 10. So now the result that you're going to get in that cell is 14, as you can see over there. So when I click on OK, it has given me 14. Then I'm going to autofill this function to these other cells that are shaded. So I'm going to come back to my right hand corner, move my mouse over there, fill in. Then it has filled in all the answers. As you can see, now it's looking for this one, which is in A6, which is Fiso. If you click here, it's looking for A5, which is Mike. It is searching for these values here. Then now we had an error here, which is division by 0, but it is gone because we now have data in these cells. And we also have updated our pass or fail column here with all passes because it seems like all students are passing. As you can see, it has also updated these marks. If you go back to the HLOOKUP function that we did, you'll find that we had discrepancies in our table, but now they have been filled, and we have spoken about how this works. How does it automatically update this data? I'm going to leave a link to our VLOOKUP function to this video so that you can, if you can watch that video first before watching this one, if you haven't watched it. Thank you for watching. This is how the HLOOKUP works. Goodbye.